What it do? Merry Christmas.
Woo! Going to a little Christmas parade.
Yep,
Our little town's Christmas parade.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. It's kind of a small parade. There's like the next town over has kind of a bigger one, but it'll be cool.
Yeah, so we're going. We might get a little warm drink because it's not terribly cold, but it is pretty chilly.
Yeah.
So let's go. I
lights.
can already see the lights.
Woo.
Excited?
What it do? I'm always excited for these.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's always just cool seeing the lights. I'm big into Christmas.
Yeah. They're already lined up. There's fireworks out there. Woo! It's like early.
It is really early.
It's like 2:30.
2:30 right now. We're about to head to the airport.
Yeah. Almost there. First flight though. We got the car. So guys, we made it. We are here. We just got our rental car. And we're gonna head over to the Airbnb and then figure out what we're gonna eat because I am starving. We didn't have enough time to eat between our flights.
No.
We got off the plane and we had to go straight to our other gate, and then we got some snacks on the plane, but that was really it.
Not enough.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
and man, it's humid out here, huh, babe?
Yeah, it's really humid.
My hair already felt like it was like starting to frizz up. All right, let's go. Okay guys, so we made it. I'll show you guys a little tour real quick.
Here.
It's a tiny little place, but it's perfect.
Start with as soon as you walk in.
Yeah, this is the door. As soon as you walk in, the bathroom's in here. It's got a shower and everything you need. Big old mirror here. Little living room, couch, little coffee stuff, little table. It's got a little kitchen, a fridge, the bed, table. Here. How cute that is. And it's dark right now, so we're literally gonna go. We're gonna find somewhere to eat and probably just come back because it's dark. We're not gonna be walking around right now.
I'm tired. I want to shower.
So, yeah. So we're walking actually.
It was only a half mile from the place, so we needed a good walk. Oh, look, this is like the car that I want.
How How are you feeling?
Just kidding, I'm fine. No, good. This is interesting. This is fun. We're just getting started. We haven't gotten our actual food yet, so I'm excited to eat. And then I'm excited to go back to the Airbnb and shower. That's where I'm at right now. Tomorrow it really starts.
It's cool.
Wait, hold on.
Crazy. So next we went to some gardens that were here and pretty close to us, actually about 10 minutes. And we wanted to go to this museum, but they actually were about to close and they were like 5 stories. So they recommended us to just check out the gardens in the back. So we did. And honestly, it was really nice. The only thing is that it was very wet and we were wearing sandals. You'll see here in a little bit that the floor is pretty wet. And if you don't know, in Puerto Rico, it just pours rain for a little bit for 10-15 minutes and then it stops and then you can go walk around and whatnot. But it was so beautiful just to see these big old plants, big leaves that you normally don't see, that it's just more tropical. And we just walked around. This was kind of a little bit of the view around the garden here. Most of these were apartments, and it was just kind of crazy to think about all the apartments in this tiny little island, because there was honestly a lot of like tiny living spaces for most of the people that were living here. But yeah, this is some of the art that was here. We even walked around and we did see these little pieces of art, and they were so cute because you'll see them here in a second. They're tiny little couches and there's little TVs. It's kind of random, but it was just what was at the gardens, and so we just took a little browse through, and we unfortunately did not get to go to the museum later on because we had so many other things that we were doing, but we were okay with that.
Or just get as close as you can.
He's a little lizard guy, or he's like a little salamander or something. Why does he look cute like that?
Tiny little guy.
Day 2, guys. Day 2. Good morning, you guys. It is our second day here. We are enjoying it the most that we can. So the first day we kind of just walked around and we got to eat at some restaurants. We tried to go to the old San Juan, but it was so busy, so many cars, and there was like zero parking. So we drove there, drove back. We will try to go back, but we have to go super early to try to get some good parking. But it was like super packed because there's only like side street parking. There was like a tiny little parking area, but there was no parking in there. So today we're gonna go to, I forget what it's called. It's like an adventure park, but they have a whole bunch of outdoor things. They have zip lining, they have ATVs, they have horseback riding, and a whole bunch of other things out there. So we're gonna go out there and we're gonna go do the ATVs. We're only gonna get one. I'll just be the passenger and Edgar will be driving, but it seems like it's a really fun experience from what I've heard. And we have like a little guest book here at the Airbnb where people like fill out like tips and things they recommend, and a lot of people recommend the ATV. So I did see that before even coming. I had seen it on TikTok, but we will do that, and I think that will be really fun. I've also seen though that you get really muddy, dirty, so we'll go prepared. It is about an hour from here, so we're gonna be leaving around 9:30. It's currently 7:50, just so we get there with time and we can enjoy it. And we're gonna eat some leftovers for breakfast right now, because everywhere we've gone we get so much food and we take the leftovers, and luckily we have like a little fridge here where we can keep it. But yeah, let's do this.
Where are we?
I already told them I went to the adventure.
Oh, you already said it?
Yeah, what is it called?
The Caravali Adventure, Rainforest Adventure Park. But we're here.
So we're gonna go.
This is it.
We're gonna go ride
ATVs, yeah. You can do
I've
it.
never done that before.
You've never rode an ATV before?
No.
Really? They're really cool. But we're gonna ride through the rainforest for about an hour, so that should be fun. And then we'll see what else we can do out here.
First of all,
I guess I'll go first. Let's do this one. There it goes.
That's so cool.
yeah, it blooms back.
Oh, there's a spider on me.
Really? So whenever, like, for my next 1 hour tour, I'll come back and I'll touch this. I'll go to.
They broke a tree.
There you go. So everybody the result.
That's fire.
That's fire. Somebody else want to try it out? Double.
A ver. Can we do it again?
Do what?
Vamos arriba acá.
No, it shakes his head like that. It's hard to see it. Oh, mira, quinceañera.
Oh yeah. Quinceañera.
It feels illegal and I feel like I have to pay.
Like you have to pay?
Yeah. Where did the guy go? Wow.
It's crazy. Look at that.
It's huge.
You're the princess of the castle.
You can go down that way, I think.
Yeah. We can check it out.
It's a crab in this shell. He's walking. You see it?
Yeah, but it's not moving now. It hid.
Come on, little guy. You're gonna get stuck though. Is that a rock or what?
Oh, watch the drop.
Look at that, a water right here.
Really?
There's that animal.
Oh yeah.
Water right here.
Well, that's cool.
Wait till when they wakey or what?
Mm-hmm.
Don't make it go naked. This is where the cemetery is at.
He's coming out. He's coming out.
Look, that was their entrance. Is that an entrance right there?
How you doing, Celeste? Yeah. It's very humid out here. We're right next to the ocean and we're kind of walking a lot. So I'm red. But it's fun. Pretty views. We saw a crab or two. That was fun. Okay. Mm-hmm.
You're trying to conserve your energy.
Mm-hmm. People got in there.
Huh?
People got in there. There's graffiti. I can't tell what they are.
That's cool. People broke up there. Hey, they put those rocks there on purpose?
Yeah. All of
That's a
these
lot of
too.
work, you know? How'd they do that?
It's hard to picture the scale
I know.
in the video, but it's massive.
Why is it gotta be for left and
It's like Painted Hills, and then this thing. This is crazy bright pink. Mm-hmm.
they space themselves out.
Yeah.
So we just got done snorkeling. Our hair is all weird, but
My hair's
it
so
was
dry.
really fun, huh, babe?
It was
We
really
had
fun.
we had like these little
Like water propulsion jets you hold on to, almost like an underwater jetpack.
yeah.
There might be some pictures of them. We'll put them on there if there's pictures. But
Yeah.
they're these cool like little jets you just hold on to and they pull you under the water.
Then you don't have to do the work. You just gotta look, and then this little jet takes you.
Yep.
So right now we're just kind of walking to dry a little
off,
bit,
yeah.
and then we'll walk back to the car. Woo! It looks like it's Peru Sour, I think.
You gotta send me these pictures because I'm taking these pictures.
Is it our last day out here?
Hold on, give me a word.
Hold on, he wants me to show you this. He's all backpacked, ready to go. Yeah. Get in there, we're getting close. Oh shit, baby.
I'm fit.
So what are you about to go do?
I'm gonna go to the beach, just hang out, kick it tough. I got 2 chairs, one for me, and the other one also for me.
We got sunscreen. So yeah, like I was saying, today's our last day, so we're just gonna spend it at the beach
Just chill,
all day,
hanging out.
and we leave tomorrow. So
Tomorrow afternoon, but we just want to like have a relaxing day. We've been running around a lot.
Yeah.
We just want to have a relaxing day of the last day, just hanging out at the beach. So. Can you make it?
yeah. Woo. Wherever. You know what else we forgot? Towels.
I'll go get them.
Okay. We forgot our shoes because we washed them the other day, and now we gotta air dry them because we're gonna wear them tomorrow to the airport. But we gotta bring them out here so they dry.
And our towels.
And our towels. So, Edgar's
My job to head back to the room.
to that building. That's where we're staying, super close to the beach. So he's gonna go get that. I'm just gonna chill here and wait.
I need to keep them.
So, yeah. You ready to get in? You're getting hot?
Yeah. I don't have to follow
Is that sweat?
rules.
Is it sweat?
Huh?
Sweat?
I don't know. It's probably sunscreen.
You don't want to follow the 15-minute sunscreen rule?
I'm ready.
Then it just washes off.
Okay. What's the difference between 15 and 10 minutes?
Well, I don't know if it's been
I'll
10.
reapply in an hour instead of 2.
Guys, it actually feels really hot right now.
It's warm. The sun.
I
It
just
was.
wanna get in.
It was cold or like cloudy all day, and now the sun came out.
I can hardly keep my eyes open.
Yeah, it's really bright.
Right.
Over there is pretty good. This side not so much.
So,
All right, I'm
we're
getting.
about to get in.
I'm getting. fría. Ya se calentó un poco. Y luego, this is the smoothie. It's melting already.
Oh shoot. Got some little snacks.
Oh, that's good.
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
Ahora.
¿Es papaya? ¿Ya?
I think so.
Son las fresas. Tiene plátano abajo. So you can cool down.
Oh, this is bomb right now.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. That hit the spot.
It's really good, huh? We've been trying to find fruit, like cut up fruit. We couldn't find it anywhere. Yesterday we finally had some,
Yeah.
but it was like a tiny little bowl actually.
Yeah, we went snorkeling, and there was a lady that was trying to sell us fruit, and we're like, well, we'll buy some after. So we finished up, and she said it's $10. So I'm like, well, how big is it? And she's like, oh, it's pretty good size. She was like this. So in my hand, I'm like, oh, it's gonna be a big bowl of fruit.
So we're like, we'll share it.
Yeah, and then like, she cuts up the fruit, she comes back. When she goes into her truck to set everything up and shit in the bowl, she comes back, it's a little styrofoam plate.
Little for $10.
For $10. It's fine. I mean, we're on vacation. It is what it is. But yeah, it was funny. This was only $7. I mean, it's still a lot, but
Yeah.
it's tourist areas.
Yeah, the one that surprised me yesterday was though they actually. You hit my nose.
Oh, it's okay.
They actually had like the little tajin and chamoy.
Oh, yeah.
There's like nothing spicy here. Like all the food, everything, not spicy.
Not spicy at all.
So this fruit here obviously is just fruit. It doesn't have any to it. But
Yeah,
yeah.
it's good though. It's good. I've never seen banana in a fruit cup before, but I like banana. Damn, you finished half of it already.
It's good. I thought it was. It's really good.
Otra mordida, otra mordida. ¿Sí? Show the camera.
Really good.
A ver.
Yep. Bomb or what?
Ya. Nomás le hace falta chile.
We are heading out.
We're done.
Yep, we just kind of cleaned up the
Bags are
Airbnb
packed.
a little bit, and now we're ready. We're gonna go eat some breakfast, so we're just gonna take our stuff to the car, get some breakfast, and then head over to the airport to drop off the car. And
And then just hang out until it's time to leave.
yeah, so
Cool.
it's cute. Finally taking off. Going to Denver first, and then
And then home sweet home.
so, took forever. Huh? We were waiting for like 2 hours or more.
It's probably like 3.
Yeah.
We got there early because we didn't know what we were doing.
Yeah.
So it's fine.
So once we landed in Denver, we got onto the next plane, which was another 2.5 hours. From there, we were at the airport where we had left our original car, and then we still had to drive 1 hour home, and then we were finally home after all.